just got this bell, and then I've just copied the MIDI over to layer like a pad behind it. This chord progression, it goes 1, 6, and 3 again. And then I've just done some simple layering just to get something going, you know? So then I've got these two other like synth elements, just doing like some call and response. And then I just got this lead that I layered it with just so that I could just alternate. So just use this lead for kind of like the hook. Really simple. And then I just got a sine wave and created like another section. So I really like this lead, it's cool. Just got this super massive on it. And then my 808. I was going for some like Shed Theory type vibe with these hi-hats. So I just got this frequency kind of shifter. This is actually a free plugin from Valhalla again. Adds like a short delay. Yeah, like shifts the frequency of it and makes it sound interesting. And then I use this phaser. So this is a Arturia plugin. Notice with a lot of like kind of shed type drums, they have like some form of like movement going on in there. Yeah, just using like a phaser kind of introduces those kind of like that kind of movement. So yeah, this is the hi-hat pattern I went with. It's still relatively simple, but I just use multiple octaves just to introduce like some kind of like textures, and it just makes like the percussion a little bit more depthy. So like all these they're just like pitched down an octave. This one's pitched down 2. And then I just changed the velocities. Just yeah, I don't know. It kind of makes it sound like a new element, but it's the same. It's obviously the same hi-hat. Yeah, and you can hear the phaser in there as well. That's kind of like my percussive snare pattern. Kind of like hard to see because they're all white. I change all the colors to white when I'm mixing. It just makes it easier for me to see what I'm working with. I think another good thing to take note of is just the spaces. Like, it's really important to find places where you can take elements out. It's just as important as like putting elements in. And yeah, just picking your moments, because they'll obviously add like greater impact to when like a new section's coming in. It's almost like a part of making the drums is like taking drums out as well. So just doing stuff like that, just it breaks up the beat, makes it a little bit more interesting to listen to. It's not just like the same thing over and over again. It doesn't feel like you're listening to the same drum pattern just repetitively, you know, because there's just so much more going on. For me, really, like that's kind of like the fun part. Like once you've arranged your beat and you're playing it back, like it's really cool to just like take out elements, and then, you know, just for like a single bar, or like, I don't know, 2 or 4 bars, like however long it is, you know, take out the bass, take out the kick, and then just bring it back in, and it'll create so much more of an impact to your beat. And then all I'm doing, I'm just pushing this into a soft clipper. This is one that I just use on like everything. Yeah, I'd recommend getting this one if you don't own a soft clipper. I think Fruity Loops one is good, but Ableton doesn't have a soft clipper. Well, none that sound like this at least, so. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching again. Really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to keep posting videos, and if you're after this project file, I've got it on my Patreon, so I'll just be uploading that. I upload the project files like every time I upload now. So if you want to become a member and gain access to them, so you can just like kind of study them or work out what chords I'm using, or like, yeah, how to go about melodies or how I mix my stuff, whatever. Yeah, so that's there to access. And a few people have been like asking about beats as well, so I'm going to get my beat styles up and running again. So if you're looking to like purchase any leases, all of my stuff will be up there. So yeah, thanks again guys, appreciate it. See you soon.